having sloppy joes for lunch today.
Hello everyone. Today we have sloppy joe. Stay tuned. Add olive oil to the pan and start frying the minced meat. Stir continuously until the meat is cooked evenly. Reduce the heat and prepare the rest of the ingredients. Take the extra parts of bell peppers and chop them into small pieces. Peel the onion and chop it like bell pepper. Add them to the pan until they are cooked well and their texture is soft. Also, chop the garlic. Now, add tomato paste, ketchup, mustard, Worcestershire, cloves, hot sauce, brown sugar, black pepper, and a little salt and mix well. When the ingredients become uniform, add boiling water and let it cook together for half an hour, and the flavor thicken well. Chop the parsley, turn off the heat, and add the parsley. Serve it with any bread you like. Don't forget to use a lot of cheese and chips with this dish. The point that is very important in this burger is the exact amount of sauce that you must pay attention to avoid overtasting. This burger is a delicious mess. Enjoy your meal.